Visakha Datta sketches the event after the death of Samudragupta in his work Mudrarakasam. The system of dual government during the later half of the 18th century AD is associated with the name of Clive. The Vedas contain all the truth was interpreted by Swami Dayananda. The term Samanta, meaning a feudatory from the 6th century AD, originally meant a neighbor. Tulsidas, the author of the epic Ramcharitmanas, was a contemporary of which of the following rulers? Akbar. To meet the educational needs of the people, the madrasa and masiri was built in the reign of Iltutmish. The weekly was founded by Annie Besant. Ustad Mansur was a famous painter in the reign of Jahangir. The Vedic deity Indra was the goddess of rain and thunder. Tolkappiyam is associated with the second Sangam period. Pulakesin II was the most famous ruler of Chalukyas. The term Brahmadeya occurs for the first time in Parigupta inscriptions, under whose leadership was the All India Muslim League set up. Aga Khan. We can know about early Vedic period from the Rig Veda. The Upanishads are a source of Hindu philosophy.